everybody. So you're here at the Hidden Valley. First things first, welcome. Thank you so much for trusting us and for supporting our small business. Now, you made it all down here and it's raining. What do you do, right? So that's why we recommend a 4x4 vehicle to go up the hill. Come on, Michelle. Up the hill because it gets slippery. So it's a big hill, right? And it gets slippery right in the middle and at the top. So here's what you're gonna do. We're gonna show you what you are gonna do. You're gonna just go in reverse all the way